CAD Swiss, love these Swiss pairs. So great monthly move. It is resisting on this zone, so let's see if we still want to short it for the following months. So this is interesting. So technically you can see that there is a monthly resistance zone, so that prices came into and is rejecting. So now this is what it comes down to, is just proving to ourselves what we have more bias towards. So whether this is bullish or bearish, whether we want to buy it or sell it, you know, that based on that zone, that tells me I want to buy it because it's rejecting a low. But there's other factors that you have to include that determine, you know, to short it. So looking at this monthly candle, it is monthly, you know, engulfing the last months. So that tells me there's still a lot overall on the monthly, there's still a lot of momentum to the downside. If you look on the weeklies, you can see this massive bear week through this zone. Now the last 3 weeks have been just baby pullback candles. Like if you look at how big this bearish candle is, and then you look at these 3 candles, I mean, like this one did just open, but you know, only like 12 hours ago or something. So you can't consider this one too much, but these other ones, you can tell like there's much more bears here than there are bulls. So it tells me I still want to sell it. Price is way below this moving average, so I'm looking to sell this for the month. So I'm going to look at my monthly range here. It's about 260, 265. We'll call it 275. So we're going to move this here. We're going to put this at 2 1/4. Because remember, price likes whole numbers, and so quarters and halves are also good to go. So this would be, what did I say, 275 pips, so that'd be 66 minus 250 is 350. Yep. So that's your monthly range there. Perfect. And then obviously price would have to break this area here, which I think it definitely could do. We find where September is, it's right there. And then this is kind of your trade for next month. So yeah, go for those full 275 pips. Let price come up a little bit higher, reject this area, and then, you know, you're probably good to enter, and then you can always wait for more confirmation. So this 4-hour moving average would catch up a bit more, maybe right here, if you can see. Well, might not fully catch up, but it'll be close. And then right now in the 1 hour, it is bullish, so all you would wait for is price to come up to this zone and then go below this 1 hour moving average. So then you can tell the smaller trend, the 1 hour trend, is switching, and then it would align with the 4 hour and the daily. So that would be good confirmation for that. And then you could take that position, and you'd be pretty confident because you know that your momentum is all aligned on every time frame. And then yeah, you would just ride this out for, you know, 63.5 kind of thing, and just get that whole monthly range. You know, you get a nice R ratio here at like 8, and like if you think about, like, this stop is quite a bit above this area, so you know, that's a really good trade. So you just gotta wait maybe a few days, let price come up. Might be a little, today's the last day of the month, so it might be a little bit slow, beginning of the week, so it might be a little bit slow again. So just be patient, let price come back up to this area, and then, you know, look for a short position and make some money on the month. So that is CAD Swiss.